Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. As harvest starts to wind down, just a good time to remember to clean your augers out. So take that top cover off and blow everything out of there with an air line. Try to get everything out of the accordion here so that it gets cleaned up nicely. Pull the bottom cover off and blow that all out. Works well if you put the auger up about 3/4 height and just run it slowly. The vibration will bring any material that's in the auger down to the bottom. Then you can blow it out. If you want, you can also wash that out. Maybe don't go too crazy at it with the pressure washer, just so that you're not damaging any of the seals on the gearboxes. But you could rinse that all out. Once you have it rinsed out, then just leave it open so that it can dry. Take your grease gun and grease all of your grease points so that you get a little bit of grease sitting in them for storage. And then once it's all dry, close it all up and spray the bolts on the covers with some WD-40. It'll just keep everything from rusting. And then when you go to use it again, it'll be ready to go for you. Also, inspect the chains, or if you have a gearbox down on the bottom, check the oil down there. It's just a good time. If you need some parts, then you can go ahead and order them and have time to repair it before you really need to use it again. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.